Hello Maker Girls. Today we will be doing the aviation session activity. We will be creating our own paper airplane. You can check out different pictures and videos to get some inspiration and try out multiple designs. You can think about what types of folds will make a plane fly the furthest, and that is what we're going to be testing today. We will be trying out two different paper airplane designs to see which strategy allows the paper airplane to fly the furthest. So we're going to start off with this piece of paper first. You're going to fold your paper hot dog style. And what that means is that you're going to line up the two corners that are the shortest length apart. Then you will create two triangles by bringing this top corner to meet this middle line that we just created. Like such. And then you will do the same for the other top corner. Next, you will bring this corner to touch the middle folded line that we created. And you will crease that as well. And you should do the same for the other side. It is okay if both the corners don't line up. As you can see, that's a bit off, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Next, you will pick it up and fold the folded line that we created first outward, like such. Once you are here, you will now take this small corner and fold it to this line that we created. So you should have a small section poking outward. And now do the same for the other side. Now we're going to move on and try the hunting flight paper airplane model. So you're going to need one piece of paper. What you're going to do is fold the piece of paper hot dog style again. These two corners, the bottom and top corners connecting from the shortest side. And crease that fold. Now you're going to open it up. You're going to fold the top down about 2 inches. Now you can take a ruler to make it more exact, but I'm just going to eyeball it. Once you are here, what you're going to do next is fold it onto itself. So you're going to take this corner, the top corner, and take it to this folded corner. Like such. And you're going to do that one more time. Once that is done, you will take the top right corner and fold it onto the first, the hot dog style fold that we created down the middle, creating a right triangle. Now this might be hard, so you can use a ruler to crease it to make sure that you get it right. Like such. Now we're going to do that on the other side. Once you are here, you're going to take it, fold it over, and fold the hot dog style line over itself, backwards, like this. What you're going to do next is fold the outward peak of the rectangle over itself, where you have an overhang, like this. And there's the overhang. Now I'm just going to mirror that on the other side. Now you're going to open it up. Now you're going to fold this edge over itself for about half an inch, or a quarter of an inch, I should say, upward. There's the paper airplane. And I thank you for joining us on today's activity, and I hope to see you in our next video.